Hey, CI 1948 here. Got the Maytag put back together. Put the little shield back on it. Got it all painted up. It's not the right color. It's supposed to be, I believe it's Battleship Gray, and I went with hammer tone silver. I just thought it'd look a lot better on that tub and everything. I'm going to be doing a load of laundry in it today, so do its first initial run with a real load of laundry and some soap, and I kind of hit the engine with some paint. Turned out pretty good. So, pretty happy with it. Going to, well, what I'm doing, I'm putting the muffler, because it's a little loud and smoky, and it's going to make that water pretty oily. I'm going to have to dispose of it properly. But, that's going to muffle it. It still smokes quite a bit like that, but it's definitely not as loud. So, go ahead and, I don't know if you can see the flywheel. Probably I'll do this from the other side. Oh well, it's good enough. Give her a kick. It's quiet, isn't it? Sounds like it's just barely running, doesn't it? That's how it would sound if you had the muffler going out to the a long ways outside. Well, let's go ahead and see about getting some soap thrown in it. On, or in there. Let's turn the agitator on. Get working that soap around. Oh, there's a leaf that went in there. Oh well. Shouldn't hurt anything. I can't get it. I almost need to give it a little more throttle. Seems like it's running a little slow. Well, we'll put some socks in it and see how that works. I'm going to see about upping this throttle a little bit. It might die. No. He's dead. Oh. It's like I got it so close to running right. I think that muffler being a surge is hurting its flow. Alright, well, shoot, I got it backed out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, that bucket idea did not work at all. It just made real murky water, and the engine didn't want to run right, didn't have enough flow. So I guess neighbors are going to have to put up with it for a little bit. This thing's been kind of going for a little bit. Oh yeah. thought I threw two of them in here, but I guess not. Oh, yep, there's the other one. Cleaned up really well. Just make sure you can see the ringer part. Run it through that real quick. Just like that, it's just about ready to go online. Pair of jeans in there. Let's throw it back in there for the heck of it. Oh, died. Wonder what happened there. Let me try giving her another kick. Maybe it just... Nope. Maybe too much is in there. Well, I figured out what my problem is. They used this gasket maker stuff, and it's sucking air in around here, and that's what's killing the engine. So I saw like little bubbles forming around it, so I think I'm just going to hit it with some black RTV and see if that fixes it, and then we'll get back to this. Okay, they made a gasket for it. I don't know why they put all this little RTV stuff around the corners. Maybe they thought it'd help it seal better, but it seems like it's what failed, so I'm going to clean all that off and see if the gasket wants to hold. Well, this could be my other issue. I just noticed that wasn't in there. That's the pickup tube that's supposed to screw into the top of, or into the bottom of the carburetor. Screen looks good, but could be this worked its way out and fell down in there because it was just sitting there. Didn't come out with it. I had the carburetor out. I was just like, something's missing. All right. Well, I'll put that back on and fix that gasket, and we'll see what we get. Alright, if you ever need to get gasket started, put a couple bolts to it. Then that should hold it in place. Because I think that's why they put that sealer on there. They might have done it to help it seal up, but I don't know. I don't think it made much difference. I think it hurt it more than helped it. Alright, here's what it looks like up in there with the crankshaft. With that radio being on, don't get me a copyright strike or anything. There it is in there. All right. Okay, I think I got that fixed. I'll go ahead and give her a kick. All right. Yep. I think that was my issue. Those have been sitting in there for a little bit. I'll let it agitate them a little bit. Boy, that makes those heavy. Yeah, I don't think it can really keep up with that blue jean. I mean, trying to get it clean. It's fairly dirty too. That don't help nothing. Oops. Carburetor must be out of adjustment, or maybe it's that leak around there. Might be that leak around there. I didn't fix it. I just right back. Oh yeah, here's a good way to tell something's wrong. See air bubbles? Watch right here. So that's my problem. I'm gonna have to make a bare gasket for that then. Alright, no problem. Alright, that seemed to fix it. It's been running for a little bit now. Oh, I didn't notice this got kicked out of gear. Messing with it off camera. See, that's how that should work. It pushes it one way, it goes one way, it pushes it the other, it goes the other. And there's neutral. Well, let's take some clothes out and see how they, that's wet. Oh, I've got this going the wrong way. Yeah. Going right back into the, yeah, I should have done it the other way. I'm going to reverse that and do it the other way. All the water coming off of that. Really, you're supposed to have like a bucket or something to throw that into, but alright, try the jeans. It's going to be interesting. Not sure the best way to do this. Start at the top, maybe. Nope, she didn't want to do the jeans. That doesn't surprise me too much. I figured that'd be asking a bit much of it. It should be able to. Get that all wet again. Give her another shot. Pretty happy with that. I think that's it. That's it. Alright. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. Now, how we kill this? I think I'll try it off here and give you a better look. also shine this up. I took some 180 grit and just held it against it. Then some, I think 1500 and then 1000 and some mothers on a rag. Mothers mag shine.
It turned out alright.
To kill it, you just pull this little rod here and then pulls up against the spark plug up there. Just grounds it out. To start it, that's simple. That turned out pretty nice. A little bit of black streak in there, but it's alright. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and how you drain this, you'd hook like your garden hose onto this, and then you'd just let it drain out wherever. There's a lot there to drain. Alright, well, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.